So I want to take a couple of these pieces of roof and examine them closer to see what the material might be made of. I've got a combination of dark bits and light bits, and here that is not, that does not look like fiberglass. Looks like concrete. It's definitely concrete. And you got whatever this is. What is that? Doesn't even look like a piece of the roof. Okay, so the white bits are a type of concrete, apparently. So here, we'll just grab a few more if we can with these gloves. And it is not. Yeah. Okay. Concrete or asphalt roofing. Asphalt laden roofing. Usually this was infused with asbestos because it was an effective fire retardant. Of course, the consequence of mesothelioma and other cancers. Yeah, this does not look like